Hello students, welcome to online classes from KVI Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to describe class 10 subject biology chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is the fundamental unit of life cell. This is the name of the chapter, but inside chapter 1, the fundamental unit of life cell, we are going to describe functions of Golgi apparatus. Functions of Golgi apparatus and lysosome. But first of all, I am going to describe functions of Golgi apparatus. So, functions of Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is the secretory organelles of the cell. Golgi apparatus is the secretory organelles of the cell. The protein, lipid and steroid. The protein, lipid and steroids and some other substances pass from endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus. Once again, try to understand. I am telling the functions of Golgi apparatus, but during the functions of Golgi apparatus is the secretory organelle of the cell. Golgi apparatus is the secretory organelles of the cell. The protein, lipid and steroid. The protein, lipid and steroids and some other substances pass from endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus. That means all these steroid, protein, lipid pass from endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus modified and packaged. Golgi apparatus modified and packaged also. Modified and packaged these biochemicals into secretory vesicles. These biochemicals are converted into modified and packaged into the secretory vesicles. The secretory vesicles then pass out from the Golgi apparatus to various parts of the cell. That means these parts, the secretory vesicles, then pass out from the Golgi apparatus to the various parts of the cell or outside the cell through the exocytosis. So, I am telling the example. Examples are some of these secretory waste products are mucus, sweat, protein, saliva, tears, pigments, enzymes and hormones, gum and wax or in plants. So, my second point in the function of Golgi apparatus, it helps in the storage, modification and packaging of secretory product. That Golgi apparatus helps in the storage, modification and packaging of secretory products. Golgi apparatus helps in the formation of cell plate. That means it helps in the formation of cell plate and cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosome during cell division. Once again, try to understand this point. Golgi apparatus helps in the formation of cell plate, helps in the formation of cell wall and helps in the formation of plasma membrane and lysosome during cell division. Next point in the process of function of Golgi apparatus. Next point I am telling you. It is involved in modification and maturation of acrosome. That means Golgi apparatus helps in the modification and maturation of acrosome. It is a special structure at the tip of sperm. Acrosome is a special structure at the tip of sperm. Sperm, that is male sex cell. My last point of the function of Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, complex sugar can be made from simple sugar in Golgi apparatus in some cases. In some cases, there is complex sugar can be made from simple sugar in the process of, in the function of Golgi apparatus. So, after explaining function of Golgi apparatus, I am going to discuss about lysosomes. So, first of all, know what is lysosomes. Lysosomes are found in animal cell. It It is present, that means lysosome are present in the animal cell, protozoans, fungi, and only in some plant cells. There are, however, not present in prokaryotes. That means lysosomes are not present in prokaryotes and mature mammalian or vicious. A cell may have number of lysosomes. A cell in which it is found, they have number of lysosomes. That is lysosome found in animal cell. That means in animal cell is number of lysosomes. Protozoans have number of lysosomes. Fungi, inside fungi, number of lysosomes. So lysosomes are teeny. Lysosomes are teeny, spherical, membrane-bound vesicles or sacs. That means in some simple words, in simple sentence, we can say lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles or sacs. These vesicles are different size and shape. So lysosomes are different sizes and different shapes. They are formed by Golgi apparatus. That means lysosomes are formed by Golgi apparatus. The lysosome contains powerful digestive enzymes for the digestion of various organic material. That means it is hydrolytic enzyme, powerful digestive enzyme to digest organic material, various organic material. These enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. That means these organic material, powerful digestive enzyme, hydrolytic digestive enzyme are made by endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, that we call RER. So all these enzymes may not occur in the single lysosome. So all these enzymes may not occur in a single lysosome. There is different lysosome in an animal cell, protozoans and fungi and so on. So after this, I am telling you functions of lysosomes. So lysosomes help in intracellular digestion. Lysosomes help in intracellular digestion. They are like a vast disposal system of the cell that keep the cell clean and digesting any foreign materials such as bacteria as well as worn-out cell organelles. Therefore, they are known as digestive bags. Lysosomes are also known as digestive bag. Why it is called digestive bag? Let's learn once again. Lysosomes help in intracellular digestion. They are like disposal system. They are like disposal system of the cell. But how? Let us say that keep the cell clean and digesting any foreign materials. That means lysosomes are like a vast disposal system of the cell and keep the entire cell clean and tidy by digesting any foreign material such as bacteria as well as worn-out cell organelles, and they are act as digestive bags. So my second point in the function of lysosomes, they work in the defense against infection by bacteria or viruses by digesting them. If any foreign antigen, if any harmful bacteria are attacked and try to infect to the body, then what happens? It fight them and protect the body to become infected. During starvation, in the condition of starvation, that means starvation is a condition where we eat some parts, very little, very teeny part, very small fraction of our diet we take. That will be in the course of starvation. During the starvation, lysosomes help in the breakdown of stored protein of the body, fat and complex carbohydrates, thereby providing energy to the body. During the starvation, lysosome break down stored protein. Digestive, that means during the starvation, lysosome break down store protein, fat and complex carbohydrate and providing energy to the body. Lysosomes help in the removal of worn-out cell. For example, when a cell gets damaged, they burst and enzyme digest their own cell, the process called autolysis. Once again, try to understand the term autolysis. So lysosome help in the removal of worn-out cell. For example, when a cell get damaged, a condition when a cell get damaged, then when cell get damaged, then what happen? Then lysosome burst and the enzyme digest their own cell by the process called autolysis, and this is called autolysis. Therefore, they are also known as disposal bag or suicide bag of cell. And my last point in the function of lysosomes. Lysosomes help in recycling of metabolites for the formation of new organelles. Once again, try to understand my last point in the function of lysosomes. So, lysosomes help in recycling of metabolites. Lysosomes help in recycling of metabolites. Metabolites are some particles inside the body. Lysosomes help in recycling of metabolites for the formation of new organelles. Hence, they are also named as recycling centers. Lysosomes are also known as recycling center. But why? Because lysosomes help in recycling the metabolite for the formation of new organelles. Hence, it is called recycling centers. So, this is my explanation about function of Golgi apparatus, lysosomes. This much enough. Thanks.